Good morning, everyone. A quick scenario here on GBP New Zealand where I want to think a reversal setup is building up at the moment. And why have I said this is because of since we had this impulse leg that began in February, we've been having structures where price action rejected 1.87. And since rejection of 1.87, price had continued to find higher lows until price find itself back at this area, which appears to be our key level at this junction in time. At the same time, this area will also serve as the neckline of the reversal structure we have identified around this area. So this being said, the first thing we'll need to do is to identify a key level, which will definitely be at 1.92, 1.93, which is a very strong psychological level. So allow me to spool my line chart, and which I would like to, okay. So we have our key level here, and we shall be looking for a breakout of this key level. Sorry, allow me to key level at 1.93 and place it right at the top, and the left hand side will be better. So we have the key level here, and our signal is going to be in the form of a breakout of this level, a retest into this level, and a confirmation to the upside. So now that we have a picture into what our expectations are, what do we need to do to take advantage of this bullish momentum if it finally happens? So if we move down to a much lower time frame, that's on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, let me go to 4 hours first, because on the 4 hours time frame, I would like to hide this reversals. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, since since the beginning of the month, we've been finding pivot lows on lower higher lows, and this has been uniform since the beginning of the month. And the higher lows aligns with a bullish trend line, which appears to be respected in the last 3 weeks. As you can see, we had a respect of this trend line, though we had a slight breakout of the key level, but price came back to the trend line, and we're expecting price to go further up. Now, with this scenario identified, we expecting price to continue to respect this trend line, and at the same time, we will have to rely on this key level at 1.93 to be our guide into taking any position on this trade. So in this regard, I place the pending order at 1.9392962, which is somewhere around the key level. So in that regard, we'll be expecting price to push out of that key level. After which, if price push out of the key level, sorry, uh, after which price push out of the key level, I'm expecting a confirmation in the form of a rejection of that key level, where it will present us an opportunity to add more position to our existing position to the upside. So in that regard, I want to share my position meter, which looks something like this. And my take profit target is at exactly 1.94750, which is approximately 180 pips thereabouts. And why is this so? The reason why this is so is because of the impulse leg we found here this impulse leg, the Fibonacci extension of that impulse leg falling at 127.20. Okay, yeah, let's put at 1.95. I think 1.95 will do, and that's approximately 200 pips thereabout. So I'll pause the video at this juncture in the market and let's see how price is going to react as time goes by. So my stop loss is going to be right below this low. And besides, I'm thinking of adding a position. So with what I'm seeing on the 1 hour time frame, I would like to put one more position right above this level. That's 1.92801. So let's see what happens as price action is being monitored. I'll make sure I keep you updated in the comment below under my trading view account. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful